let's get a video with the bonfire. It's like 4:30, it's like past 4:30 sharp. And then the noise you're hearing is like the man who was there trying to wake up the boys, because I think boys are still sleeping. Then the drums you're hearing is from the parade ground. That's just so funny. If they wake me up like that, I'll be so angry. Then I'm so tired. I can die right now. Just want to sleep, you guys. And then because our room, one person.
Can we go? It's okay.
So
Can we go?
we're all waiting to get our prize, and it's hypo.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm standing here for like how many hours waiting to get my hypo bleach and hypo towel. Isn't it like the best day ever? Let me see the hypo. Guys. Yay! Probably asked to stay outside, so I ordered my food from mommy.
Did daddy call you?
No, he didn't call me.
Okay. Because you're lucky.
It's Friday, guys. We're leaving in like 2 days. I'm so excited. I can't wait to leave. Noe, how do you feel?
Alright.
We've come to eat because I'm really hungry. Today, I don't know, they're having an event today. I think the name is Kambla. I think it's Kambla. Yeah, and then tomorrow is Carnival and Bonfire Night. And next tomorrow, I think it's nothing. And then the day after, we're going home after the passing out. Right. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. I'm just here waiting for my food because I'm really hungry and I really want to sleep. Food for king soon is having plantain, yam and egg. This is having rice. Kingsley is having spaghetti, plantain and egg. And I'm here waiting for my food. My food is coming. Yes. Jesus, this is so much. I wish it's putting half.
Say NYSC. Say NYSC. Sister Martina. Sister Martina. GCP.
Getting ready for Carnival.
Attention gentlemen, club members. Attention gentlemen, club members. Please go and take your votes and vote fast. We don't want to see anyone on the parade ground. Let's go and shower so we can come get ready for the carnival.
Go and shower. Wow. Rude children. Good morning to you. As previously, the heard what I said. So we're getting ready for carnival today. See this mumu. Hey guys, I have one more night. Okay, we have 2 nights to spend. My favorite day. Look at this waist. If you look properly, there's bonfire night tonight, so they are setting up. I'm even ready. White. But I meant to wear blue jeans though, but I don't want to. And I made see my design. And for my front to back. 6 for the new party 6. And this is Yetunde's star here. And at the back, F for what? Fabulous. Let's go. I'm sure outside is going to be very colorful. You guys, this is the first time I'm actually having camp because it's now parade. I see Chidima as well. Chidima, wait. M for Martin. Chidima is taking you guys. Yeah. And then the front has hearts. Who is that? Is it my video? And let's look at Rosaline. I put something on Rosalind's back. Let's check. Rosaline turn around. T for taking. She's taking. People are painting their faces, but I don't think I want to do that. See you guys outside.
Now you see their skin.
So it's just white shirt and blue jeans. So this is the bonfire thing we're having this night. It's all set up.
It's the place.
Ready for the
The place fire is gonna be burned. Fire is gonna be burnt on the wooden venue. This is around you ain't gonna go wrong.
He's looking at breast.
As I was saying, the field, we match. We match the body fire ground.
Yes,
Not in vain.
that's Platinum 5. I'm dying. It's too hot. Can't be asked to stand outside where they are standing for the parade. I actually want to sleep as well. You can see my eyes. Under some ladies' tents where we eat. And we're just watching them. You guys, I miss my camera so much because it was so easy to like when I talk and I flip it around like this and I'll still be talking. And then you guys can see everything. Then I flip it back like this so I can still see myself and see them. But with this phone, it's like, I'll talk now, stop it, turn it around, and keep recording. So I think each platoon is going to display whatever they're doing. And then when they are doing the next platoon, blah blah blah. And I think after everything, they will now announce the winner. I don't know what prize. I think they're giving them money, like 3K or something. First part. And second you get like, I don't know, third you get like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm sweating. And I'm here just wondering like, how are girls actually doing makeup and it's not affecting them under this heat, sweating. And it's the most sweating. I tried shy again, I put mascara on so my face is beautiful. Apart from that, I'm just tired. I just want to, I don't know, this heat is just discouraging. Let me just put it like that. The sun and the heat is making me not want to do anything. And I'm sure you guys have noticed I'm gotten darker. But it's fine, there's something called bleaching cream. We gave home, we love it. We come back to our skin complexion. Or we can even get light. Light skin each eye. Really like shy. I like my, dark is beautiful. Sing it, baby. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm just talking rubbish. Let me stop talking. Oh, and I took out my hair, and I forgot to give you guys a skin update. My skin is now flesh, thanks to bath. I don't know the name from bath A, is it from bath B? Something like that. Their coppers just running around. It's like platoon by platoon. They run around the fire stuff. And we have this one watching. We decided to go closer. Oh my god! It's burning hot! Hey guys, this is like so deadly. It's coming our way. Not what I was expecting, but we'll make do. We can manage. We're actually having fun. I thought they'd be playing like songs, not Manowar kind of song. Oh yeah, let's get a video with the bonfire. I always some people that do that, but yeah, I just have to do that for this. But just this one time. Like you guys, there are tires around. Then they keep putting the tires in to keep the fire burning, burning, burning. And then they pour kerosene, I think. When they're dancing down there. End of the bonfire night. They're sending us in, as you can hear the whistle. See us here, oh. See us here. They told you to give to me?
Yes.
Have they paid?
No.
How much is it? I don't know where they are.
The money is 700.
For everything?
Both the remaining one and this one is
Jesus, that's me. And the thing is still on fire. We just collected our power bank because we're charging it.
I can see you.
They're blowing whistle for us. It's not even 10 o'clock yet, guys. I don't know why they're doing this.
They do.
It's not yet 10.
1 minute.
It's just, they said blowing like 5 minutes ago.
They start fighting over here.
Who was fighting? See the birds. Okay, birds are not chipping. You can't hear it anymore. But yeah, you guys, it's the last day. Last freaking day. You don't know how excited I am to leave this. But anyways, I forgot to show you guys my top from yesterday's carnival. So I was like, I might as well just show you guys right now. So see, I put A for action because that's the motto for my platoon. Platoon 1, action, action, platoon 1. And then my friend did this on the hand of my shirt. Yep. I keep forgetting his name. Either Toby or Tolu. It starts with T. I showed you guys our little corner. This is my bed. This is Noya's bed. That's Chidema's bed. Roslyn is down. Etunde is down, but I can't show them their bunkers. They're occupied at the moment. And this is like every other person's. Actually, the room. I'll go up. That's our locker that is incomplete. And other beds as well. So this is the after effect of bonfire night, you guys. And I can still feel the heat coming from it. There's like small smoke down there. And if you look properly, there's like fire in there. Rachel is still burning. And then they have this on the floor. And YS. C is covered up. Oh, and you guys, mommy is slowly getting empty and boring because I'm all leaving tomorrow. charging our power bank down there. Last lecture.
He's crying inside his mind.
Go ahead, print,
We have so many unserious students.
and please, when you are eventually accepted, make sure you go to the
And this one is sleeping.
So you video like this, each by side.
Oh yeah.
I don't do that. I don't want to.
See, she
I
said, I
don't
don't want to have it. Show. I don't want that. You don't show pass. You don't show pass. Now you show pass now. See, okay. Say it's okay. Say it's okay. Idiot. You never see does it's okay.
Yes. But Snapchat when you video, they will give you their phone, video me. And the people like stop.
But when I see the man here, it's like,
This one is covering her face as usual. And this one is always on his phone. Last night I'm amazed. I came to a new place anyway. Casey, let's go now. Mr. Macho.
right there.
God, the packaging is so nice. Wait, let me see your egg.
Oh, you don't want your egg?
No, I asked her for a particular type of egg, maybe she forgot. Don't worry, see now. Cheese. Let's see.